Hey guys, so we're at PieCorps today with my friend Ella! And we're gonna bake some holiday pies with her today in her little bake shop. We're gonna get to baking. All right, apron's on. Step one, we gotta make a crust.
We're gonna make a crust.
Yep. You're making a crust, I'm just gonna watch you.
Follow any pie crust recipe online will do. In this case, we're using only on one side the crust because we're gonna do a crumb topping. And so it's great if you follow a pie crust recipe, you can make two pies. So one for you, one for a friend. Or what I highly recommend, because even I would say this, go to your local bakery and get a pie crust because they make it the best. They'll sell it to you frozen, and when it's frozen, it gets flaky and delicious. So first, we're gonna lower all the sides. So anytime these sides are up, it goes into safety mode and it can't be turned off. So this has to be released. This is the safety stopper. And then we press start, but it doesn't start. We get our little dough that the bakers make that's usually frozen and very cold. And I'll let you try this out. So we're gonna test out your cheating skills.
Oh God.
Just watch.
Oh God.
We throw a little bit of flour on top. And then we start, so this is the thickness. So we're gonna start at the thickest and we're gonna get to about the middle between two. So this is how I learned it. I'm right-handed. We'll try it this way with you too. So basically you go a little bit and you come back. And then you lower, you make this smaller and you go a little bit and you come back. At first it doesn't look like there's a lot of space. But you'll see as I get thinner and thinner, have to make it flat.
Thank you for the trust. Like, I'm just gonna stand there and catch the pie if it like just flies over.
The first time I use this, I dropped it so high, so don't worry.
Start with
that way?
Start with that way. So that way is that way. Ah, as soon as it gets everything, no! You see? Now go the other direction. There
Okay.
you go.
This is nerve-wracking.
Push this way.
That way.
This way. No, not too much. You're gonna make it too thin. There you go.
Okay. Half a turn.
There you go.
There you go.
It's like a traffic stop sign. Stop in the name of dough. This stays in that.
Oh, keep going. Yeah, make it a little thinner. Make it a little thinner. Okay,
Okay.
you want to adjust this?
Just a little, right?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
One more. Alright, so now we have to crimp the dough into your vessel of choice. What do we do?
I would pick up, so we're going to push it down and make sure it's flat. So I would pick up the sides with one hand and then press down with the other. So yeah, pick whichever side you want to do. You want to like start, yeah. Don't be afraid to press it down. Make sure you get that little edge right here.
Oh, so you have to like actually press it. I was just like tapping her.
So now for the crimping. So all this excess dough, we're gonna roll
Outwards?
in yes,
Outwards,
that
okay.
way. Don't mind my ugly nail.
Don't worry.
So and then keep going around. And you find
Yeah, because
your
I think like right now I'm like thinking so hard.
oh yeah, you definitely overthink it. You just go with the feel. You feel it rolled up and then you press it down.
To just close my eyes and feel the love. The pie love.
Well, that's the secret ingredient.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, okay, so if you spread this bigger, you get prettier crimps. Look, she's fucking done already. What the heck is going on here? That's not fair. Well,
And I've done like 10,000.
yeah, I was gonna say, to be fair, this is your job.
Exactly. You cannot compare.
I think she rolled it more, that's why.
Yeah, the rolling part is the most important part because you got to get it even, and then
Yeah.
you crimp, and you got yourself a beautiful crimped pie.
You got yourself a beautiful.
Yes, beautiful crimped pie.
Shoot. Who made that one? Look at the pie crust that I made, guys. So cute. Excuse me, I look like I'm about to rob them, but I am not. I promise. I'm just gonna rob them of the pies.
Use this, and try not to cut yourself.
That's great advice. Life advice with Ella.
Yes.
Don't cut yourself.
If you cut yourself, definitely don't sue us. But this one here is.
Don't sue me either. Please don't. I don't make that much money.
I'm usually better at it with a knife, so if anybody wants to try with
Well, actually, you know what? Yeah, I am pretty good at peel. I feel like everybody in the non-Western world peels apples with a knife.
Yeah, I
versus
totally
this.
agree. It's a little knife if you want.
Oh, she's so cute. Why yellow?
I don't know.
What are you trying to say?
It's fun and
I'm Asian?
summery. Yes.
Like the inclusivity here. We got yellow representing in the kitchen.
And blue.
And
for
blue.
What category of people?
You know what I should try? Throwing this in the air fryer. I feel like,
Yeah, that would make a nice snack.
right? Like a chip.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay. We're not all just here waiting for you.
No pressure.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh my god.
At least this isn't like a food challenge.
Hey, listen. I think I peeled this apple pretty quick. Good idea.
But perfect.
Okay.
Cut in 4. Are you able to do it, or you want to do it on the counter?
I think I will do it in the countertop. I don't trust myself. Okay.
Start at the top, and you go around a little bit, and take off the ends. You got yourself a nice little peel. And now,
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Kids use protection.
And to make our apple filling, we're going to take these apples here. 1 bucket for each of us.
Oh my god. The whole thing?
The whole
How
thing.
many apples are in here?
This is about 2 pounds of apples, so 6 to 8 apples.
Oh my god, just for one pie.
Just for one pie. Here, toss it all in.
Oh no, wait.
I'll take that for you. You can get your little scraps. Go for it.
Leave no man behind.
Sprinkle all
Azúcar. Sprinkle it. Sprinkle it. You sprinkle it, not sprinkle. You sprinkle
in.
it.
Sprinkle it. A little bit of salt.
Any salt?
Kosher salt.
Kosher salt.
Kosher salt. A little bit of cinnamon. Alright.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Mama.
My favorite word to never pronounce.
Cinnamon.
A little bit of lemon zest.
Okay. I was like, what is that?
It's about the zest of 1 lemon.
Okay.
And then we're gonna take our cornstarch. This is gonna help absorb all the juices that come out from the apples.
Okay.
And just pour it all over. I need to give it a little tap.
I can tap that. Oh, wait. Okay.
All right, and then from here, we're just gonna get a little messy
Oh yeah.
and just mix it all up.
What's this?
That's gonna be our crumb topping for the apples, which I pre-made for you.
You know, if this wasn't COVID season, the best season of all, I would be probably eating that crumb right now. Right?
In here.
Smell harder. Maybe you can smell the zest through the window. I mean, through the window. Through the screen. Through the window. Sorry.
Oh,
I've been up since 5 a.m.
it's okay, so am I. Once we get everything together, you see how?
Not like my life. Okay.
I feel you. Same here. So from here, we're just gonna start piling it in our pie.
Okay.
In our pie shell.
Just anyway,
Any which way you want.
any direction.
I
No
mean, you wanna-
direction is good direction, right? I guess. I don't know.
Exactly. You want to fill out the bottom for sure. Try to keep it space as full as possible.
More is better.
Yeah.
Okay. So what's in here?
So this is flour, sugar, molasses, cinnamon, and salt, and butter.
Okay.
Uh,
We'll leave a recipe below.
We combine it in our mixer and let it refrigerate for a little bit so that the butter solidifies again. And you get these beautiful little crumbs. Alright, so from here we're just going to start piling it on. But yeah, I mean,
Well, is it just me or this pie? The top is starting to look like Napoleon Dynamite's hair.
a little.
Like,
I can see it. It's gonna stay on the tray, so.
oh, on the tray. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
I'm getting excited.
You're good. So, this tray weighs probably about 20 pounds, maybe. We'll see.
That's a good spot.
Cool. That's 45 minutes to an hour.
And how high?
300.
300. Whatever that means. I'm not a baker. Fahrenheit.
Yeah.
I just know how to set my air fryer and that's it.
It's not a very good one, but
Wow.
they're actually almost done.
Wait, I gotta get that too. What? Oh yeah. So, shout out to Natalie. Thank you so much for. She was the best. Thank you for teaching me how to bake.
You're welcome.
I'll teach you how to dougie. No, I'm kidding. And we're gonna try the apple pie now. So look at this. Look how cute this is. Like the irony in tiny fork, big pie. How do we do? I'm like, how do I do this? All right, we're just gonna go in.
If it wasn't COVID times, I'd help you.
Oh my goodness, hell yeah. Man, I miss those times where we can just like share food with your friends, right?
Exactly.
Like, I used to share my drinks. All right. Oh my God, this crust, guys, is so freaking flaky. Look at that crispy, buttery, flaky, crispy crust. Who knows that meme commercial? It's really hard to get a bite of everything with this tiny. Oh, I got a bite of everything. Okay, so I got. Oh, do you see that steam? Oh baby. Oh baby, pie porno here. Okay. Here we go. Oh my God. Let me just, like a glass of wine, let's just twirl it. Mmm. 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 Hold on.
It's a little hot still.
No, it's perfect.
Oh, okay.
It's warm, which is delicious. What caught me off guard is the first thing you taste is tanginess, like lemony tanginess,
That lemon zest.
but it's not like a lemon flavor, it's just tanginess. And then immediately you taste butter from the crust, and then you slowly like taste the apple and the cinnamon and the crumble, and it's not overly sweet. This is delicious. Thank you for giving me the whole pie.
Anytime.
Oh, this is so good. Oh, and look at these juices in here. Do you see how juicy this pie is? Oh my goodness. Make it rain. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. All right, well, thank you PieCorps and Natalie and Ella for inviting us to do some holiday pie baking. More eating than baking, really. They did the work, I'm doing the eating, so that's fine. So definitely check them out. I'll leave their link down below, their Instagram and their shop if you guys want to check out the pies. They're really good. I highly, highly recommend them. If you're in New York, pass by. It's really close by in Williamsburg. And yeah, I'll leave all the info below. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Actually tomorrow for Vlogmas. And yeah, happy eating. Bye. I'm gonna make a cappuccino now. Oh, sure. I'm nervous. I always see these machines as so intimidating. So they have coffee here. Obviously, you can have pie without coffee. And we're gonna make a cappuccino. What's your name?
I'm Molly.
This is Molly, and she's gonna be showing me how to make a cappuccino today. Okay.
Okay, so if you want to,
Okay.
it's very simple.
Okay. I'm scared we're gonna break this.
Press the button.
Oh my God! It knows how to stop.
Yeah.
Oh, this is heavier than what it looks.
And then you take this
Okay.
and you press it.
This is heavy. Okay,
Yeah,
so I
it
put it
is.
in here. How hard do I press this?
Just like
A little.
yeah, you got it.
Okay.
And then if you want to be really fancy, you can go like this.
What does that do?
It just levels it out.
Oh, okay.
Then you click it in here.
Go like that?
Here.
Okay.
You go like
Oh, okay. The other way. So this way? That's it?
I would put it a little bit more. Yep, you got it.
Let me just make sure it's like when you leave your house and you gotta make sure the keys are locked and you got your keys and everything. Okay.
And then
take one of these. I like to use two, honestly, because it's cleaner. You do this, and then press that.
This one?
Yep.
You can't miss it.
And then for the milk, what kind of milk?
Yep. Oh my gosh, you have oat milk. Yeah, let's just put this out of this coffee. Very pornographic right now. Oh wow. Gonna get the milk. They're awesome. They have oat milk. Like, it's not a ton of coffee shops have oat milk, but the ones that do, kudos to you.
Okay. Pour it?
Sure.
So I think we'll just make it small.
Okay.
You just pour it like right below where the divot is in the cup.
Okay, we're at the
You can pour
like that?
Like here?
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Duh.
I don't even know if divot is the right word.
Like right before this thing starts.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
perfect. Okay. Then we'll use this one, I think. So you hold it here, and then you hold it probably like at a little bit of an angle. Make sure the nozzle is in. Something about here.
Okay. And this warms up the milk and it
It steams it, and then the longer you go, the foamier it gets.
Okay. Tell me if I'm doing this right.
Yeah. It might be a little.
How do you know when to stop? Oh, maybe like that. I think I broke her. She wasn't making that noise
She
before.
always sounds angry.
Oh my god! Why is the noise getting worse? Okay, I think it's done, right? I don't know. Okay, that sounds like the gates of hell. But look how frothy it is. Wow. Okay. Do you know how to do those artsy stuff?
No.
Me either. It's
You
okay.
can put like cinnamon on top and make it look
Okay.
cute if you want.
Okay.
Yeah. And you pour it in
Okay.
the espresso.
Oh. And then just pour this in?
Pour the other.
Oh, the other one. Done. Watch me be fancy now. Oh wow. It's trying to be fancy. Okay.
And then bang it on the
This?
counter.
This?
On the counter.
Yep. And then pour it in.
Where do you bang it?
To get the air bubbles out.
Ah.